Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. As you know, in your maths, I have started chapter number 2, numbers up to 1000. In that, second question is, write the numbers before and after. Let me tell you what is before and what is after. At present, you are in class 2, isn't it? Now, if I will ask you one question that before studying in class 2, you were in which class? Then your answer will be in class 1. Isn't it? So, before class 2, you were in class 1. And now, if I ask you, after giving the final exam of class 2, in which class you will be promoted? Then, what will be your answer? Yes, it will be class 3. Isn't it? Now I think you got the answer that before means the number less than 1. And after means when we have to plus 1 in the given number. Isn't it? When we will minus 1 from 2, we will get 1. And when we will plus 1 with 2, we will get 3. So, the number before will be less and the number after will be more than the given number. One more hint I want to give you. The number which is given in before, it will be less than that given number, and in after, it will be more than the given number. Here we are doing minus 1 and here we are doing plus 1 with the given number. Hope you understood the concept before and after. In your book, few numbers are given and in that you have to write first before, then after. Let's do the sum one by one. Here are the two sums. First, you have to recognize the number 199. Now, in 199, when we will minus 1, we will get 198. So, where I will write this 198? Of course, it is lesser than the given number. So, it will be here in before columns. Okay? Now, again, we will do this one. So, 225 minus 1. 5 minus 1 will be 4 and the numbers will come as it is. So, 224. 224 will come in before hand side. Now, in after, what we have to do? We have to do plus 1. Here we will plus 1. 199 plus 1. So, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So, 1 will be carried. Here also 9 plus 1 will be 10. So, 1 will be carried and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So, 199. After 199, which digit will come? Yes, after 199, 200 will come. Okay. Now, let's do this. 225 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 6. And other numbers we will write as it is. So, the answer will be 226. The number which comes after 225 is 226. Here you can see 149. If you can mentally subtract 1 from 9, then you will get 148. Okay. and here 230 is given. As it will be difficult for you, so let's subtract it like this. We can't subtract 0 from 1, so we will borrow and we will make it 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9, and as it has given 1, so it will be 2. So we will write here 2 and here also 2. So the answer will be 229. What will come before 230 is 229. How we got this? By subtracting 1. But the concept is you have to subtract 1 for getting the answer. What will be the number before the given number? What you will do to get the number? What comes after? That is, we have to add 1 to the given number. 149 plus 1 will be 150. You can do mentally also. But here I am explaining you how you will get the answer. It may be long for you, but it will be easy for you if you understand the concept, what you are doing actually. And then the answer will be 150. Now come to the next sum. The question is, what comes after 230? So if we plus 1 in this number, what we will get? It's very easy. We will get 231. Understood? Now, few more questions are there that you have to do in your copy. Let's do that. Let's come to the copy work. Here I have separated the questions. Write the numbers that comes before. Now we will do the sums in which you have to find the number which comes before. It means hint, the number which is given and the answer which you have to write, it will be always lesser than the given number. That too only 1 less than the given number. Okay. Now let's do mentally. 186. First step is you have to recognize the number. Number is 186. Forgot these 2 digits. Only remember this one. And you know 6 is given. So if you recall the numbers before 6, what digit you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you get 5. So instead of 6, what you will write? The other 2 digit you will write as it is. 1, 8, and as we have to write it before this digit, so what you will write here? 5. Just now I told you that you will subtract 1. And if we subtract 1 from 186, we will get 185. You can do it and see. Now come to the second question. Second question is 242. Now forgot these 2 digits and see the last digit is 2. The digit which is in 1's place. 2. So before 2, yes, before 2 it was 1. So these 2 digits you will write as it is 240. Then it will be here will be the change. Here will be 1. So before 242, 241 comes. Now here 463. Again forgot this 2 digit. And before 3, what comes? 1, 2, yes, 2. So 2 digit as it is you will write, and then you will write the digit less than 1. That is 462. Hope you understood the concept. Let's do the other questions. 56 is given. You know 2-digit numbers easily. 51, 52, 53, 54, then 55. So you will write 55 here. Now again 3-digit is there. Here you can use this method. You can subtract 1 and you will easily get the answer. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So you will write 0 here and then you will write 4 and 3. So 340 will be the answer. What comes before 341? That is 340. Now here 500 is there. Don't worry, when before they will ask, you will deduct 1 minus 1. This will be 10, this will be 9 and this will be 4. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. As it is, you will write down 9 here and then 4. So the answer will be 499. 499. Okay. So question, write the number that comes after. After, just now I explained you. Now you are in class 2. But after giving the final exam, you will go to class 3. The next number. Okay. Now let's find out the digits which are given. Then what will be the next number? We know what we have to do. We have to just add one number with the given number. First number is 78. 8 plus 1 will be? Yes, 8 plus 1 will be 9. So 79 will come here. Isn't it? Now you can do mentally. First recognize the number 363. And what comes after 3? If we add one number, it will be 4. So the two digits which are given in hundreds place and tens place, you will write it as it is and you will make change in the digit which is given in ones place. 364 will come. Isn't it? Now again we will come to the third question. Recognize the number 496. What you have to do? You will write the numbers of hundreds place and tens place as it is, and then you will add the number 1 with the digit which is given in ones place. 6 plus 1 will be? Yes, 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the answer is 497. 496 was given and after 496, 497 will come. Okay. Now come to the next question. 221. Write down the hundreds place and tens place digit as it is, and when we will add 1 plus 1, we will get 2. So what will be the answer? 222. The digit was 221. What comes after 221? 222. Now read the number 104. What comes after 104? Now I think you are getting the answer by yourself. It will be 105. Yes, it's very easy. Now read the question. Read the digit 300. When you will add one number with 300, what you will get? 301. Yes, so the digit after 300 will be 301. Hint is, in after you will get the bigger number and in before you will get the lesser number than the given number. Okay? Keep it in your mind while doing the questions. Hope you understood. Bye. Take care.